Right.
Are you happy?
Oh, there's honey in the spoon. Don't. There's pollen.
Pollen pala. May pollen pa nakasabay.
Pollen nappies.
Hindi. Yan paanoon mo yan.
Oh my gosh.
Kanya, para masarap lumabas yung katas. Oh. Yan, sarap naman.
Yes.
Pigaan mi bebe.
Higain ka dito.
Eh, dito na lang sa kabila. Yan, ito.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh.
How about ganito? Oh my God.
Oh, just squish it. I will do my squishing.